Okay, we're going to create a grid portrait today, and I'm going to start by drawing the outsides of the grid, so I have a space to work inside. So I've drawn in the top line, and now I'm drawing in the side lines. So the top measurement is going to be 21 centimeters, and then the height of my box is going to be 27 centimeters. So I'm just drawing that in now. And I'm just going to check and make sure that all of my lines are the correct measurements. And if they're not, I'm just going to make some quick adjustments and make sure that everything is aligned so our drawing runs smoothly later on. So I'm just fixing up a few little mistakes there. Checking over my measurements, the top and the bottom is 21 centimeters and the sides are 27. Now I'm going in and drawing in my points that I'm going to join to create my grid. So I'm going to work in 3 centimeter blocks here, and I've put a dot in every 3 centimeters on my ruler along the top and the bottom line, and now I'm joining them together so they will all be straight and they're all going to be 3 centimeters wide. Now I'm going to do exactly the same process along the sides of my box. So again, using my ruler and marking every 3 centimeters along both sides. And this just makes it easier to align the lines and make sure they're actually straight. So you can see now I've got squares inside my grid there, and they're all even because I'm using that method of making sure they're all 3 centimeters from both sides. And now we've completed a grid here. I'm just going to go back in with my eraser, my dodgy eraser there. That's all I have with my remote learning, that I've forgotten to bring an eraser home. So I've just fixed up any errors and I've made sure that my lines are straight and clear, and I know the space that I need to work within to create my portrait later on. So now I've got a nice clean surface, and now I'm just going to label the top A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, however many boxes I've drawn there, I just can't quite remember. So down the bottom, hopefully you can read that. I've just written there that my squares are 3 by 3 centimeters and the total grid is 21 by 27 centimeters.